Question 1. What does a complete chemical equation represent? A. Only reactants. B. Only products. C. Reactants, products and their physical states. D. Only energy changes. Answer. C. Reactants, products and their physical states. Question 2. Which of the following indicates a chemical reaction? A. Change in color. B. Evolution of gas. C. Change in temperature. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Question 3. Which of the following is an example of a chemical reaction? A. Rusting of iron. B. Digestion. C. Cooking an egg. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Question 4. Exothermic reactions release A. Oxygen. B. Energy. C. Water. D. Electrons. Answer. B. Energy. Question 5. Endothermic reactions involve A. Release of heat. B. Absorption of energy. C. No energy change. D. Only light emission. Answer. B. Absorption of energy. Question 6. According to the law of conservation of mass, A. Mass is created. B. Mass is destroyed. C. Mass remains constant. D. Mass increases. Answer. C. Mass remains constant. Question 7. In a balanced chemical equation, A. Atoms are unequal. B. Atoms are equal on both sides. C. Only reactants are counted. D. Only products are counted. Answer. B. Atoms are equal on both sides. Question 8. A combination reaction forms A. Multiple products. B. A single product. C. No product. D. Only gases. Answer. B. A single product. Question 9. CaO plus H2O gives CaOH twice is an example of A. Decomposition reaction. B. Combination reaction. C. Displacement reaction. D. Neutralization. Answer. B. Combination reaction. Question 10. Decomposition reaction is A. Formation of one product. B. Breaking of a compound into simpler substances. C. Exchange of ions. D. Formation of gas only. Answer. B. Breaking of a compound into simpler substances. Question 11. Heating CaCO3 produces A. Ca plus CO2. B. CaO plus CO2. C. CaOH whole twice. D. CaCO3. Answer. B. CaO plus CO2. Question 12. Fe plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu is a blank. A. Combination reaction. B. Displacement reaction. C. Decomposition reaction. D. Neutralization reaction. Answer. B. Displacement reaction. Question 13. Double displacement reactions involve A. Exchange of ions. B. Loss of electrons. C. Gain of electrons. D. Formation of gases only. Answer. A. Exchange of ions. Question 14. Precipitation reactions produce A. Soluble salts. B. Insoluble salts. C. Gases. D. Metals. Answer. B. Insoluble salts. Question 15. Neutralization reaction produces A. Acid and water. B. Base and water. C. Salt and water. D. Gas and salt. Answer. C. Salt and water. Question 16. Oxidation involves A. Gain of hydrogen. B. Loss of oxygen. C. Addition of oxygen. D. Loss of electrons. Answer. C. Addition of oxygen. Question 17. Reduction involves A. Addition of oxygen. B. Removal of hydrogen. C. Addition of hydrogen. D. Loss of electrons. Answer. C. Addition of hydrogen. Question 18. Redox reactions involve A. Only oxidation. B. Only reduction. C. Both oxidation and reduction. D. No reaction. Answer. C. Both oxidation and reduction. Question 19. Rancidity is caused by A. Reduction, B. Oxidation, C. Neutralization, D. Decomposition. Answer B. Oxidation. Question 20. Which prevents rancidity? A. Adding antioxidants, B. Refrigeration, C. Airtight containers, D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above.
Question 21. Baking soda chemical formula is A. Na2CO3, B. NaHCO3, C. CaCO3, D. K2CO3. Answer B. NaHCO3. Question 22. Washing soda formula is A. NaHCO3, B. Na2CO3, C. CaCO3, D. K2CO3. Answer B. Na2CO3. Question 23. Chloroform formula is A. CH4, B. CHCl3, C. C2H6, D. CO2. Answer B. CHCl3. Question 24. Methane is also known as A. Laughing gas, B. Marsh gas, C. Dry ice, D. Vinegar. Answer B. Marsh gas. Question 25. Dry ice is A. Solid CO2, B. Liquid CO2, C. Gas CO2, D. Ice. Answer A. Solid CO2. Question 26. Chemical bonding is A. Repulsion between atoms, B. Attraction between atoms, C. Chemical reaction, D. Energy loss. Answer B. Attraction between atoms. Question 27. Ionic bond involves A. Sharing of electrons, B. Transfer of electrons, C. Loss of protons, D. Gain of neutrons. Answer B. Transfer of electrons. Question 28. Covalent bond involves A. Transfer of electrons, B. Sharing of electrons, C. Loss of atoms, D. Gain of protons. Answer B. Sharing of electrons. Question 29. Matter exists in how many states? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Answer B. 3. Question 30. Maximum force of attraction is A. Gas, B. Liquid, C. Solid, D. Plasma. Answer C. Solid. Question 31. Diffusion is fastest in A. Solids, B. Liquids, C. Gases, D. All equal. Answer C. Gases. Question 32. Solids have A. No shape, B. Fixed shape, C. No volume, D. No movement. Answer B. Fixed shape. Question 33. Liquids have A. Fixed shape, B. Fixed volume, C. No volume, D. No movement. Answer B. Fixed volume. Question 34. Gases are A. Highly compressible, B. Non-compressible, C. Fixed, D. Solid. Answer A. Highly compressible. Question 35. Sublimation is A. Liquid to gas, B. Solid to liquid, C. Solid to gas directly, D. Gas to solid. Answer C. Solid to gas. Question 36. Evaporation is A. Bulk phenomenon, B. Surface phenomenon, C. Chemical reaction, D. None. Answer B. Surface phenomenon. Question 37. Unit of pressure is A. Newton, B. Pascal, C. Joule, D. Watt. Answer B. Pascal. Question 38. Air is A. Compound, B. Mixture, C. Element, D. Solid. Answer B. Mixture. Question 39. Homogeneous mixture has A. Non-uniform composition, B. Uniform composition, C. No composition, D. Solid only. Answer B. Uniform composition. Question 40. Heterogeneous mixture has A. Uniform composition, B. Non-uniform composition, C. No particles, D. Only gases. Answer B. Non-uniform composition. Question 41. Solution is a heterogeneous mixture, B. Homogeneous mixture, C. Element, D. Compound. Answer B. Homogeneous mixture. Question 42. Suspension is a homogeneous, B. Heterogeneous, C. Pure, D. Gas. Answer B. Heterogeneous. Question 43. Colloids scatter light due to A. Large particles, B. Small particles, C. No particles, D. Gas particles. Answer B. Small particles. Question 44. Centrifugation is used for A. Heating, B. Separation, C. Mixing, D. Cooling. Answer B. Separation. Question 45. Distillation is used to A. Mix liquids, B. Separate liquids, C. Form solids, D. Create gases. Answer B. Separate liquids. Question 46. Chromatography separates based on A. Density, B. Solubility, C. Temperature, D. Pressure. Answer B. Solubility. Question 47. Law of conservation of mass was given by A. Dalton, B. Lavoisier, C. Bohr, D. Rutherford. Answer B. Lavoisier. Question 48. Atomic mass is measured relative to A. Hydrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Carbon-12, D. Nitrogen. Answer C. Carbon-12. Question 50. Avogadro constant is A. 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, B. 3.022 into 10 raised to power 23, C. 1.022 into 10 raised to power 23, D. 9.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Answer A. 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Question 51. Electron was discovered by A. Rutherford, B. Chadwick, C. J. J. Thomson, D. Bohr. Answer C. J. J. Thomson.